have a separate summer camp also. So that is happening after this. So that summer camp is more related to, as the name summer camp suggests. I mean, it is more related to the students coming to the school and spending a full day in the school. Since their holidays from academic school, so they can do. We have tied up with some of the leading names like Hamstech for fashion and Pogo channel for the the art and craft, and some of these Discovery Kids and all these particular vendors. So based on that, we will be looking forward to offering lot of fun related activities related to art and craft, and dramatics and sports and everything else. Swimming and yoga will also be a part of the entire camp. The one thing special about the summer camp would be that generally camps, we ask students to choose 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 activities. Here, all the activities will be given to the student, so it will be running more like a timetable. So like a 8-period timetable, so the student will get exposure to all the different activities, and that is the special part of the camp. Technically, if you remove academics and do any sort of fun activities related to sports or art and craft or yoga or swimming or anything, students enjoy that. So, what I meant to say is that it will be an offering where student can get exposure to all the different activities that we are offering, and not only choose 4 or 5. So like for example photography, for example art, for example yoga, you can choose everything and you can get exposure towards everything. So that's the entire idea. So it will be a lot of fun and a lot of enjoyable learning, and it will be a good pastime in the summer to do. Yeah. We will be also offering the transport and the food and everything along with the essential services. So cost we will be announcing it. We'll be announcing it. So I think our corporate team will give you the more information on the cost, but we will be coming out with the cost amounts. Yeah.